Hello, welcome to Verbally Education. This is a video about how to fill China's physical examination form. So, if you notice, the first part involves your personal information, which is your name, your gender, your birthday, your present address, nationality, birthplace, and blood group, and then, of course, your passport photo. For the name, write it as it is in your passport. So, your surname first, and then your given name or given name, and for your gender as well. There's no room for I identify as female or identify as this or that. How you were born and how it is on your passport, how you are recognized legally is what you should fill. For your birthday, you have to fill from year, month, and date. So the year you were born comes first, then your month, and then your date. So if you were born on the 15th of December in 1994, you can write 1994 1 to 15. Or if you were born on the 5th of May in 1998, you can write 1998 05 05, something like that. Yeah. For the present mailing address, obviously your full address. So from your house number, your street address, your locality, your state or province or the area where you live, and then your country. For the nationality, write the name of your country. If you are Ghanaian, don't write Ghanaian, write Ghana, like that. Okay. For birthplace, the city you were born and the country where you were born. So the city you were born, which is what is written on your passport, and the country where you were born. For blood group, if you don't know that already, you will have to run a test for that. And for the passport photo, it is advised and important. In fact, it is essential that you attach the passport photo before you go into the hospital, so that when your doctor fills the form, they would stamp it as well, because it is a requirement for the it is mandatory that the passport be stamped, the passport photo be stamped. Please pay attention to the size of the passport photo. There should not be excess space around the passport photo, and it should not exceed the box. So 4 lines around the passport photo should be visible, and the text that is written in the box should not be visible. So yes, pay attention to the sizing of the passport photo. A 2 by 3 passport photo is preferred, but anyone that fits into the box without leaving excess space is fine. Yes. And the next section is, if you have a history of the following disease, you have to discuss that with your doctor to confirm if you do, yes or no. And yeah, so if you don't have them, you tick them no, 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 no. Yeah. Like I said, you have to go through this process with your doctor. Then the next part involves your height. You need to check your height, your weight, your blood pressure that day, your development. All of that will be filled by your doctor. All of this will be filled. All this aspect will be filled by your doctor. If you have corrected vision, for example, that part is very important. If you have corrected vision, like you wear glasses, then you need to say what your current vision is and what the level of correction is in your for your eyesight, like with the glasses you use. The reason why this is important is because certain subjects do not accept certain students, let's say people who are partially blind, because they require a certain level of precision and accuracy. And it's important that you do not lie in this kind of test, because when you get to China, they will also conduct the test again. If you look at the second aspect of the form, there's a test that's not listed there, PCV, which is like your packed cell volume, and that test result comes from a test called full blood count. It is an essential part of the test you must do, even though it's not listed on this form, but you must attach the copy of your full blood count to this report. And yes, finally, the last section of this form is that your doctor should make a suggestion. They have to make a comment and say whether you are physically and mentally fit to study abroad or not. If there's maybe if you have an underlying sickness that doesn't affect your study abroad, they can mention it and still say, but like a sickness that is obvious. For example, if you have something like a curvature of your spine, scoliosis, and it doesn't affect you studying abroad, but it is something that will definitely show up in your x-ray results, then you have to mention it. You have to mention that, okay, patient shows scoliosis, however he or she is fit, physically and mentally fit for study abroad. Yes. They need to sign and write their name. They also need to stamp the um section where they say stamp, and then once again the date, which is the date the form was filled, which is year, month, and date format. So yes, thank you very much for watching, and thank you very much for your patronage. We really do appreciate you, and we look forward to you coming to China for studies. Thank you. Best of luck.